You are listening to Feed Your Mind, and we're going to discuss the magnetic north. So, anywhere you are in the world, your compass will point to the center of the earth. And scientists come around and try to explain the stuff away for us. So they say, hey, well, there's a molten core in the center of the earth. Well, I'm still looking into the details of this, but apparently magnetism does not work in a molten environment. And so if my findings are correct, this will completely disqualify that there's a molten center of the earth. So pretty much they've been misleading us our whole life. So let's re-examine, why do our compasses point north? And so in this demonstration, DITRH shows you how a compass actually works.
Here's our flat earth with our magnetic center. This is the shoreline that we call Antarctica that surrounds our world. And here's my boat. I put my boat down and immediately the compass points north. If I want to circumnavigate, I want to head west or east, but we're going to go west right now. So I'm heading west, and as you see, west keeps turning. So I have to keep going, and this is how, when you go west, you end up going all the way back to where you started from. Same thing for east. I go east. I keep having to turn because my compass keeps making me turn to go east. If I want to go dead reckoning west, so this would be dead reckoning west. If you watch the compass, I'm no longer going west. I'm going south. Any straight line on the flat earth will eventually become south. And that is how you circumnavigate on a flat earth. Nobody can circumnavigate south, because when you go south, you keep on going. When I go north, and as I pass the North Pole, I'm now going south, even though I'm going in the same straight line.
And so what is really attracting the compass needle to the north center of the earth is the question. One thing we do know for sure, there's some activity going on in the north. There's also the northern lights. Admiral Byrd even said he discovered an opening, and a lot of the hollow earthers, they'll say there's proof of an opening somewhere in the center of the earth. Because just like the South Pole, well, the North Pole also says, hey, you can't fly any planes over the North Pole. You have to go around it. It's highly restricted. Nobody owns any land up there. Pretty much every exploration to the North Pole cannot be verified or confirmed. Admiral Byrd's mission there was not confirmed. There's several ancient maps that actually show a hidden continent in the North Pole area. And we're going to go into much more detail about this place in my next video. So make sure you click your notification bell so you don't miss it. Now, another option that the compass needle could be pointing to is the North Star, Ursa Minor, and well, what we would call the Little Dipper. And at the end of the dipper would be the North Pole, which would be Polaris. That North Star just hangs out there and never moves. You can go years and years. That star will stay right above the center of the earth. And so there's several options for this North Pole magnet attraction. One of the more scientific ones is the toroidal field theory, where the energy that the magnet is attracted to has to do with the sun and moon rotating around the earth because of some type of toroidal energy force in the center of the earth. So the compass points north, and we think it's just some normal thing, but really it's a phenomenal thing. It's something that we really should be thinking about and trying to rediscover, because it's very strange that there's some type of magnetic thing going on in the center of the earth. And there's all types of stories, of course, because it's such a mysterious place. There's been talks of possibly a magnetic mountain there. So when it comes down to it, the North Pole and the South Pole both are very mysterious places, and nobody's really allowed at either. What are they hiding from us? For much more information, check out my Magnetic North Is Not What You Were Told playlist. I'll leave the link in the comment section and the description box. Simply enter your email address at feedyourmind1.com. That way I can send you some cool news briefs throughout the week. It's completely free. Simply like, comment, share, and subscribe, and include your favorite Flat Earth proof, and you're automatically entered into a chance to win a free collectible from my Feed Your Mind pop-up shop. Please chip in $1 to $5 on my Patreon page. I got some cool gifts for you over there, because a truth channel like this is going to require us to be listener supported for me to be able to continue to put out videos. Thanks for your support. Please click your notification bell. This has been another episode of Feed Your Mind. Thank you for tuning in. Signing off.